Hi, thank you for watching Eric Civil and Wasset. This video is about waterproofing your denim jackets. Denim jackets are very tough garments. However, they are not very suitable for adverse weather conditions like heavy rainfall and typhoons. But there is still a solution for your cotton garment to be resistant against water. This method is called waxing. To do the waxing, first of all, we need a bar of otter wax. Then give the jacket a very rough rub down, including the seams and lines on jacket. After complete one side of the jacket, turn it over to work on the other side. When the jacket is evenly waxed, use hair dryer to soften the wax to create an even surface and create a waterproofing seal. I have made 7 layers of wax onto the jacket. Now let's see how water resistant it becomes. The test is very simple. I just pour some water on it and observe. It looks like that the jacket has a good water resistance. But how long will this last? Unlike waterproof materials like Gore-Tex, wax garment is not fully waterproof. After 30 minutes, it started to saturate it with the water. Nonetheless, the jacket has already done a very good job, if it could withstand the adverse weather for 30 minutes. Here comes the end of the video. What do you think? Did you wear a denim jacket or jeans before? Do you like the idea of waxing? Please share your experience to me in the message box. If you like this video, please give thumbs up to me. Please subscribe if you like this channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.